Do you know you can use ChatGPT to answer different kinds of questions, be it multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks questions, essay questions, any type of question you can think of. You can use ChatGPT to answer them. Are you a parent and you are finding it difficult assisting your children do their homework or assignments, or you are looking for external help? Do not worry. With ChatGPT, you can guide your child and help them to answer any question at all they were given in school. Are you a teacher in your subject area? There are some questions that are difficult for you and you are trying to avoid them. Don't worry. You can use ChatGPT to find the answer so that you can be more competent. Yes, in your delivery. Are you a learner and you want to answer your questions very well? It could be your past questions and answers, your assignments, and you want to have better grades. What you have to do is to watch this video to the end. At the end of this video, you will not depend on someone else that may not be there. You will discover how ChatGPT can help you to answer both your past questions, your assignments, and your grades will definitely be better. So do not go. You're away. Welcome to Coach Sarah and Services. I am Mrs. Sarah Chukudubem. If this is your first time of coming across this video, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. You're welcome. Do not go away. So at the end of this video, you're going to discover a better way to approach your past questions, your assignments as a teacher, as a student, as a parent, and you'll be glad you did. And the academic performance of your kids and your students will be on the increase. Stay tuned and do not go away. Come on, let's get started. Locate ChatGPT on your device and click on it. I'll click on ChatGPT. My ChatGPT app has opened. What I need to do now is to type in my question, maybe essay question. I'll type it there. I have copied my prompt. See the prompts I'm going to give ChatGPT to work with. Provide the answer to this question. Discuss the structure and function of the human respiratory system in detail, including the roles of the respiratory organs and their adaptations for efficient gas exchange. This is a question that I want answer for. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate by clicking on the up arrow button. Once I click on this arrow button, ChatGPT will work with it. And remember, put on your mobile data while giving ChatGPT instruction. I've clicked on the up arrow button and ChatGPT has generated the answer in seconds. You see the answer? It's giving me all the parts of the human respiratory system. See nasal cavity, pharynx and larynx, trachea, bronchi, alveoli, lungs, respiratory muscles. See all the structures that it has listed and including their function. So as a student and as a teacher, I can ask ChatGPT to generate answers to a particular question that I might need help, whether I'm a parent, student, or a teacher. This one has been done by ChatGPT. If you have watched this video to this point and you're finding it helpful, please, I need a favor from you. Just give this video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Yeah. You know what it means. It will help others like you to discover this video, and that will be a great motivation for me. Please, if you have done that, please click the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I upload a new video on this channel. Please do that. Yeah. If you have done that, thank you. Also, kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Kindly subscribe so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. Thank you if you have subscribed. Thank you. If you have subscribed, just on the comment section, comment, subscribed, and I'll be giving you a welcome hug. Thank you so much. I want ChatGPT to provide answer to fill in the blanks question that I've copied. That's the physics question, and I need answer to it. So ChatGPT, I will give ChatGPT the prompt to provide the right answer to those questions, and watch what ChatGPT will do. You can see the prompt. Fill in the following blank spaces Question number 1. Dash is the property of a material that allows it to return to its original shape after deformation. Question number 2. The ratio of stress to strain is known as dash. Hooke's law states that the extension of a spring is directly proportional to the dash applied to it as long as the elastic limit is not exceeded. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to fill in the blanks. That means to provide the answers. Let me click on the up arrow button for ChatGPT to provide the answer. ChatGPT have provided the answer. Fill in the blank spaces with the right answer. You can see the first number 1 question is read like this. Elasticity is a property of a material that allows it to return to its original shape after deformation. Number 2, you see it's continue. I can go on and go on. You see the whole thing. If you read number 3, Hooke's law states that the extension of a spring is directly proportional to the force applied to it as long as the elastic limit is not exceeded. Young modulus measures the stiffness of a material to stretch under tensile stress. Number 5 answer says the ability of a material to absorb energy and deform plastically without breaking is called toughness. So this is the answers generated by ChatGPT. You can see that you can answer your questions with ChatGPT. I want ChatGPT to provide answers to multiple choice questions that I have. I need answers to them. So I'll give ChatGPT the prompt to provide answers to those questions. Look at the prompt. Provide answer to these multiple choice questions. The question number 1 says, what happens to the equilibrium price and quantity when demand increases and supply remains constant? You see the option A, option B, option C, and option D. The question number 2, what causes a movement along the demand curve? Option A is there. The options are there to choose from. Question number 3, if the price of a substitute good increases, what happens to the demand for the original goods? So these are the questions that I've copied, and I want ChatGPT to provide the right answers to choose the right options for these questions. So let me click on the up arrow button and allow ChatGPT to answer these questions for me. The questions are 10 in number, and ChatGPT have chosen the right option. For question number 1, it gave me that the answer is the option A is the right answer. So let me read question number 1 and find the option A. See, number 1 question says, what happens to the equilibrium price and quantity when demand increases and supply remains constant? Option A says price increases, quantity decreases. So this is the answer provided by ChatGPT. The number 2, ChatGPT gave the answer to be option B, which is change in quantity demanded. Let me read question number 2 and see the answer. Number 2 says, what causes a movement along the demand curve? What causes a movement along the demand curve? And B says, change in quantity demanded. That's the answer provided by ChatGPT. So for all the 10 questions that I have here, ChatGPT gave me the options that are correct. So you can see it. So when you have questions, you can use the ChatGPT to provide the answers to your past questions as you are preparing for exam, or even as a teacher, you are trying to study harder to prepare others. No matter what, if you need answer, ChatGPT can assist you in providing answer to some of the questions you have. Remember, ChatGPT may not be consistently 100% accurate, so it is advisable to cross-check when necessary. Now you have seen how you can use ChatGPT to answer different kinds of questions, be it multiple choice questions, essay questions, and fill in the blanks questions, even to write your composition, your letters. You can use ChatGPT to do that. Having discovered this, I know teaching and learning is going to be very, very fun. As a teacher, you are going to enjoy your teaching. As a learner, you no longer panic when you see questions that seems difficult. So enjoy yourself. Happy teaching, happy learning. See you in my next video. Yeah. Bye.